you think Edge Group will become a global threat? At the Dubai Airshow 2025, the answer was revealed. Edge expanded across the full spectrum with 42 new autonomous, intelligent, and space systems, and one of the next-generation autonomous systems, alongside Omen and Journey-M, is what we call VORTEX-E. How was it introduced at the exhibition? Keep your eyes on the story. Amid the chaos of vast grasslands in Eastern Europe, where the sky has become a battlefield just as deadly as the trenches on the ground, a new paradigm in modern warfare has emerged. We are no longer talking only about heavy tanks or conventional fighter jets, but about small-scale air dominance that is precise and lethal. In a combat landscape heavily shaped by conflicts such as Russia and Ukraine, the emergence of VORTEX-E from Edge Group United Arab Emirates marks a crucial turning point in tactical air defense technology. This drone is not merely a reconnaissance tool, but a predator purpose-built to hunt aerial threats with terrifying efficiency. Imagine a scenario in which enemy kamikaze drones attempt to breach defensive lines. VORTEX-E answers this challenge with remarkable speed, up to 350 kilometers per hour. In modern warfare, speed is everything. It allows VORTEX-E to pursue and intercept targets before they can approach vital assets. With an operational range of 24 kilometers, this drone creates a tactical, protective dome capable of covering blind spots that are often missed by large, expensive air defense radar systems. It is the answer to the need for agile defense systems that still possess sufficient reach to secure the front line. Artificial intelligence lies at the core of VORTEX-E operation. On battlefields saturated with electronic interference, reliance on manual control often becomes a vulnerability. VORTEX-E, however, is equipped with an AI-based locking camera capable of independently identifying and tracking targets. This technology is critical for the future, where electronic warfare may sever communication between operators and units. Once a target is locked, the AI guides the drone with surgical precision, ensuring that its 1 to 2 kilogram warhead detonates at the most destructive point possible. Another unique advantage lies in its design philosophy, which prioritizes minimizing collateral damage. In conflict zones that often involve civilian areas or critical infrastructure, VORTEX-E ability to neutralize threats without destroying everything around them is an invaluable asset. Edge Group, the driving force behind this innovation, has positioned itself not merely as a weapons manufacturer, but as a catalyst for global change. At Dubai Airshow 2025, it became clear that their vision of autonomous systems, robotics, and smart materials is no longer a futuristic concept, but a real solution to today's challenges. VORTEX-E embodies this commitment, a fusion of bold design and operational efficiency required by the next generation of soldiers. With technologies like this, the face of aerial warfare will never be the same again, where speed, artificial intelligence, and autonomous independence determine the line between victory and defeat. We stand at the threshold of a new era, and Edge's products have paved the way toward unstoppable technological dominance. What would you like to know about other new Edge products at Dubai Airshow 2025? Leave your comment, and thanks for watching.